Hi YouTube! In my very quick video today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect servo into pyboard. Let's start. Now we connect the USB cable into pyboard. In a little while, PyB flash will appear. We click on it, we press open, then we go to main.py, we open it and we start writing in the program. Now we import the libraries. From pyboard, import servo. Next, we are defining the output. S1 equal servo now we can move servo to position. S1 dot angle 45 degrees. Now we connect servo into X1. Now when we save the program into pyboard, we restart it and servo should move. Thank you for watching my video today. Don't forget to subscribe and give a big thumbs up.